So how do you find the PitchHub Teleprompter app on Zoom? Well, the easiest place to look is in the app marketplace. And so we are featured here as a paid app, but if you came to the that and you didn't see it, you could just go into the Zoom marketplace and you could type in PitchHub, right? Hit the teleprompter. That brings you to the page where you can look at all the different features of the teleprompter, but most importantly, you can click on the link to buy the app. Also, how do you get this teleprompter up and running within the Zoom environment? So as you see here, what you can do is you can start a meeting. You can then go to the apps page, and then from there, type in added apps, or if the app is already there, hit get and run through the install. But typically what you should be seeing is when you click to launch the app through the app marketplace on your Zoom call, it should check the license and then the teleprompter is available for use.